Alright, so first let's unbox
Unboxing what?
what came from Amazon. So this is to organize my palettes, because right now they're just stuck on a shelf, kind of in disarray. I'll show you the before and after. I need scissors. I'll show y'all what it looks like in there now. But this came in a 2-pack, and it's just plastic. You can just stick your eyeshadow palettes or whatever you need to organize in there. And it's nice and small, compact. Ooh la la. I will link everything below in my Amazon. These are plastic drawers. They're just clear. I'm gonna use these for a bunch of stuff in the bathroom. But it will be so nice to have just like clear, concise storage, so I can see what everything is, because right now, the way things are, you can't even see what's what. And so, this is gonna be very helpful. And these are, okay, you're not wanting to come apart. These look like they're small. Oh, nice. Okay. So the drawer comes out. This is about how big it is. Like. And they're stackable. So, very excited about that. And then this should be my makeup skincare organizer that I'm gonna use, because the one I have now is broken. Does not look cute anymore. Hey, Char Char. Ooh, I opened the bottom of it, of course. Ooh la la. Actually, also put there. So this comes in, I got the black one obviously, but it also comes in like a cream white color. It's got all of these compartments, and this part spins. How nice is that? And this is what it looks like sitting on the counter. Oh, I really like that. Okay, I am so excited to do this. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom now. This is what I'm using before. And as you can see, it's like a mess. It's cracked right there, broken on the side. This is Scott's side. So we bought this and this off Amazon. And then these behind our toilet are from Amazon as well.
If you put this up, make sure you don't break the...
Yeah, just sitting there is fine, thank you. And then I'm also gonna redo these shelves, get rid of this ugly blue, and that's where this is where I'm gonna put the tubs, the see-through drawers, and also going through everything I have up here, because I hardly use that stuff, so I need to like go through and like throw away a bunch of stuff. This is my palettes, which I just found this one at TJ Maxx. I've been looking for this, and I got it for 20 bucks. The Barbie palette. So I'm gonna be doing an eyeshadow look with this. I'm so excited about it. Anyway, so this is our before. Gonna redo the counter situation. Yay! this just looks so much better. So much more concise. I got my lipsticks, clearly brushes that need cleaned, eyeshadow brushes, some mascaras. Scott. And then over here, I switched these up so the lower shelf is the stuff I actually use more because your girl is short. And then just some kind of extras up here, my little beauty blender holders. And then here is this shelf. So in here I have like contacts, hair things, a couple samples. In here I have a ton of face masks, under eye masks, nose strips, and then this is like jewelry, necklace extenders, ring sizer, random earrings and stuff I had in the bathroom. And in here I have all the stuff I used to do my lashes, my makeup cleaner, ear cleaner, nail glue, just kind of like random stuff. And then I use this to do my palettes, and then all my face masks that are like too big to fit in here, I put in here so everything is nice and neat and has its own spot. All my little palettes are back there. This is I have all my makeup stuff in here, so I can just grab this bag and do everything, and I don't have to have everything out all the time. And then up here's mostly just decor stuff. I put some random few things in this bin. This has some nails stuff. Yeah, but overall, it is so much neater and more concise. Oh, I just need to bring my Ricky mirror in here. Put that back up. Rivers, you're in the shot.
Okay.
Rivers, I'm trying to film. Cat. Rivers, you gotta go.
Take two.
Rivers, go. Oh, don't knock that over. Oh, Lord. You're gonna eat right now? This cat, River. Okay. Back to the programming.